The video is an ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. 1. Lakeside Park's Lakeside Fun. Kick off your Fond du Lac adventure at Lakeside Park, the crown jewel of the city's waterfront and a true community treasure. Located on the southern shore of Lake Winnebago, this 400-acre park has been the center of city recreation for over a century. You can explore a series of small islands connected by charming bridges, climb the iconic 1933 lighthouse for a stunning view of the lake, and take a ride on the historic carousel or the miniature train. The park features 4 playground sets and splash pads for the kids, plus a small petting zoo with rabbits, goats, and llamas. You can also rent canoes, pedal boats, and kayaks to explore the lake. The park is a hub of family fun and the perfect place to start your Fond du Lac journey. 2. Thelma Sadoff Center for the Arts. Next, head downtown to Thelma. The Thelma Sadoff Center for the Arts, the cultural heartbeat of the city. Housed in a stunning 1906 classical revival building that was originally a Masonic temple, Thelma showcases visual arts on 2 floors of gorgeous, open gallery space. The center presents indoor and outdoor concerts, literary arts events, performing arts, and a host of arts education classes. The best part? The majority of Thelma's programming is completely free and open to the public. Check their calendar for Thelma Thursdays, a free summer outdoor concert series that brings the community together. The center is a vibrant, welcoming space that enriches the community through the arts. 3. Historic Galloway House and Village. Step back in time at the historic Galloway House and Village, the centerpiece of the historic village district. This former working farm raised 3 generations of prominent Fond du Lac citizens. You can tour the stately Galloway mansion and stroll through a collection of mini museums, including a one-room schoolhouse and a general store that vividly recreate Wisconsin commerce and lifestyle in the 1800s. The site features one of the finest collections of native artifacts and distinctive pieces from hundreds of years of local history. Be sure to check their calendar for special events, like their annual family-friendly ice cream social. This is a fantastic stop for history buffs and families alike. 4. Children's Museum of Fond du Lac. If you're visiting with kids, the Children's Museum of Fond du Lac is an absolute must. This is a place where discovery and curiosity are brought to life through a touchable, learn-by-doing atmosphere. With 15,000 square feet of indoor space and over 10,000 square feet of outdoor space, it's a wonderland for young minds. One of the highlights is the new Light Wonders Gallery, which features a giant light bright, an immersive projection screen, and a sensory space. The museum is open Tuesday through Saturday. It's the perfect indoor activity for a rainy afternoon, or any day your kids need to burn off some energy while learning something new. 5. Gottfried Prairie and Arboretum. For a peaceful nature escape, visit the Gottfried Prairie and Arboretum, a 45-acre living museum that celebrates Wisconsin's natural heritage. You can wander 3 miles of trails through restored prairie teeming with over 75 species of wildflowers and grasses. The 5.5-acre Arboretum highlights Wisconsin's tension zone, where northern and southern plant communities meet, showcasing trees from 8 forest types. Relax by the wildlife pond, explore the Ellen Flood Memorial Garden, or attend educational programs and events throughout the year. It's a wonderful place to connect with nature and experience Wisconsin's diverse ecosystems. Admission is free, making it an accessible escape for everyone. 6. Wild Goose State Trail. Get your exercise on the Wild Goose State Trail, a fantastic multi-use trail that offers 34 miles of scenic rail trail. Wisconsin's first cooperative state trail, it runs on an abandoned railroad corridor from Fond du Lac to Kleiman Junction. The trail skirts the western edge of the Horicon Marsh, a national wildlife refuge home to over 250 bird species. Whether you're looking for a challenging bike ride or a leisurely walk, the trail provides a wonderful way to experience the great outdoors. The trailhead is located at 370 West Rolling Meadows Drive in Fond du Lac. It's a fantastic way to see the natural beauty of the region. 7. EAA Aviation Museum. Aviation enthusiasts will love the EAA Aviation Museum, a world-class destination where your imagination can take flight. With a collection of more than 200 historic aeroplanes, along with world-class galleries and exhibits, it's a year-round destination. You can get up close to beautifully restored vintage planes and explore exhibits on the evolution of aviation technology. The museum is a captivating experience for visitors of all ages, whether you're a seasoned pilot or just curious about the wonders of flight. Located in nearby Oshkosh, it's an easy drive from Fond du Lac. This is a must-visit for any aviation fan. 8. Fond du Lac County Fair. If you're visiting in mid-July, you absolutely must experience the Fond du Lac County Fair. Established in 1852, this annual event offers education, entertainment, and affordable family fun. You can enjoy carnival rides, games, live performances, livestock shows, and all the classic fair food. The fairgrounds feature over 60,000 square feet of exhibit space and host a variety of events. Admission to the fair is free. It's a vibrant celebration of community and agriculture that the whole family will love. It's a true taste of Wisconsin's county fair tradition. 9. Kiekhaefer Park's Scenic Views. Head to Kiekhaefer Park for a peaceful escape with stunning views. This park is a good place for summer walking and is also perfect for snowshoeing, cross-country skiing, and sledging during winter. It's known for its stunning views, especially from its tower. The park offers a tranquil setting for a quiet stroll, a picnic, or simply enjoying the beauty of the changing seasons. It's a wonderful spot for some alone time or bonding with friends. Kiekhaefer Park is a great place to experience the natural beauty of Fond du Lac in any season. 10. Local supper clubs and fish fries. Finally, you cannot leave Fond du Lac without indulging in a classic Wisconsin tradition, the Friday night fish fry. The area is home to several beloved supper clubs that serve up this iconic meal. The Britton House Supper Club offers a popular Friday night fish fry featuring hand-breaded perch and haddock. Schwartz Supper Club is another classic, with a large menu including a Friday night perch fry and renowned pickled mushrooms. For a true taste of local flavor, try a hand-muddled old-fashioned. From supper clubs to breweries, Fond du Lac County delivers local flavor with less waiting and more personality. It's the perfect way to end your day in this charming Wisconsin city.